everybody, welcome to the Outside the Workshop, and in this short video today I'm going to show you guys my preferred method of breaking down a full 4x8 sheet of plywood into smaller 2-foot by 4-foot panels to get it into the shop. Normally I would like to try to get the whole sheet in the shop and then break it down, but the workspace I'm currently in is long but it's narrow and it's very difficult to maneuver a full 4x8 sheet of plywood in it. So it's such a beautiful day, I thought I'd get set up and do it outside and show you guys how I do it. Let's get started. Alright, and we're going to begin by just laying down the sheet of plywood on a sawhorse in this table that's outside of the shop. And we're going to take a tape measure and measure 2 foot across and then 4 foot down long ways to get our measurements, and use this big T-square I've got. This was my grandfather's and it works perfectly for this application. And now we're going to have our 4 2-foot by 4-foot sections measured out and ready to cut, and all I'm doing here is using a jigsaw with a very fine tooth blade to reduce chip out on the end of the wood. I'm going to come around and finish the other side and do my best to catch it. There we go. Now balance it out on the table and rip this piece in half. Go around to the other side and finish it. There's half of it done already, and then all that's left to do is use the jigsaw to cut the other piece in half, and it's done. I mean, not much to it. I mean, this is just my preferred method. I hope you guys like it. And here we have the 4 pieces of 2-foot by 4-foot 1/4-inch plywood from the big sheet of 4x8 piece, all ripped down and ready to be ripped down farther for future projects. I prefer to rip plywood down to the 2-foot by 4-foot size for 2 reasons. One, maneuverability. It's just easier to transport, and the other one is now it is the perfect size for me to run and rip down over on the table saw or over on the bandsaw and get it ready for future scroll saw projects or other crafts that I like to do. Again, this is just my preferred method of ripping down plywood and getting it ready to bring into the shop. Again, the shop is long but it's narrow. I can almost put my hands out and touch both walls. I think I'm liking maybe 1.5 feet on each side. So it's really difficult to get a full 4x8 sheet in here and get it moved to rip down like I did outside. But I hope you guys learned something in this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also continue to share my videos. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for future content. I will have another one of my videos floating in this corner, and my subscribe button floating in this corner. Until next time, guys, remember, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you real soon.